All right, good morning. We're going to be reviewing how to factor this week. We will be reviewing for the Unit 5 Section 1 recovery. So if you did not pass that test, then you need to take that test or the recovery check at the end of the week. That will be assigned to you. It is only over factoring. So we're going to just review factoring here real quick. I've got a couple problems. The first one says 2x squared plus 9x plus 4. All right, so you remember we're always going to take the first times the last, and 2 times 4 is going to give us 8. All right, so the factors of 8 are 1 times 8 and 2 times 4. All right, and we're looking to see which one of these is going to add up to be the middle term here, 9x. So the only way that's going to happen is if I have 1 plus 8. All right, so 1 plus 8 is going to give us 9. So I put plus 1x plus 8x plus 4. All right, and we're factoring by grouping, so I'm going to divide this problem into half. Okay, so on this left side, what do they have in common? 2x squared and 1x, they both have an x. So I can divide this by 1x, or just x. So what that leaves is 2x plus 1. All right, and on the right side, you've got 8x plus 4. 8x and 4 both have a 4 in common. So I can put plus 4, and then that's going to leave 2x plus 1. All right, notice that inside the parentheses, those both have the same two terms. So 2x plus 1 comes down, and then our two terms that are on the outside here, x plus 4, becomes our second set of parentheses, and that's our final answer. All right, so that's how we factor by grouping. Okay, well, what if there's no number in front here? Okay, we just understand that to be a 1. Multiply to be 1 times 30 is 30. All right, so that's 1 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times 10, and 5 times 6. Which one of those is going to give us a negative 1? All right, so the only combination here that would give us a negative 1 is 5 and 6. All right, the only way that it would give us a negative 1 is if I do 5 minus 6. All right, so that means the 6 is negative. All right, so I've got x squared plus 5x minus 6x minus 30. All right, so I've divided this 1x into positive 5x and negative 6x. Divide our problem in half, factor by grouping. Once again, they have an x in common. All right, that's going to give us x plus 5 here. All right, and then right here, I've got a negative 6 in common. All right, I have to take out a negative 6 because that's the first sign that's right here. So that's going to be minus 6, and that's x plus 5. The negative divided by a negative is a positive. So once again, I've got x plus 5, that's my first set of parentheses, and then x minus 6 is in our second set of parentheses. All right, and there's our final answer, x plus 5 times x minus 6. All right, once again, if you have any questions over how to factor, you can message me on Canvas or email me. Just feel free to do that. But our review all of this week is just going to be over factoring. Okay, so just more of the same stuff that we've got here. All right, you guys have a great day. Bye.